Hey there, I'm Ishin Brian, and today we're diving into the absolute fastest and most practical ways to get your music perfectly in sync with your footage. Whether you are crafting a high-energy music video, a promotional clip, or just trying to nail those punchy, beat-matched cuts for social media, this guide has you covered. I'm going to walk you through the classic manual method you can do in any software, and then show you a smarter, modern approach using AI. Let's jump straight into the old-school workflow, starting by dragging your main audio track into your project timeline. Now bring in your footage and keep things organized by assigning each camera angle to its own distinct track, so nothing gets tangled up. You need to zoom in really tight on that audio file and look for a clear, sharp transient. That could be a snare hit, a clap, or a vocal count-in. Find the exact matching visual cue in your video footage, like a hand clap or a camera flash, and line that moment up perfectly with the audio spike. If you are working with multiple camera angles, just highlight all those clips and hit the synchronize function to let the software handle the alignment. Just remember that automatic sync can sometimes fail if the audio quality is a bit muddy or noisy. So always do a quick eyeball check to be sure. Once everything is locked in, keep your source audio enabled as a backup. Trust me, that little trick is a total lifesaver if you need to adjust things later. That manual method is dependable, but it is also incredibly time-consuming, especially when you are trying to churn out multiple short clips for social media. This is exactly where a tool like Vizard becomes a complete game changer for your creative workflow. Instead of spending hours manually scrubbing through long footage, you simply upload your raw video and let the AI find the most viral-friendly moments. The engine scans for energy spikes, vocal highlights, and natural rhythmic moments to create cuts that actually feel intentional. Once the AI identifies those key highlights, it automatically aligns the audio to those cuts, so you get beat-synced clips without hand-tuning every frame. You can pick your favorite moments, tweak the in and out points, add captions, and refine the thumbnails right there in the dashboard. Then there is the auto-schedule feature, which lets you map out your posts across multiple platforms without needing to set constant reminders. For creators who are juggling busy shoots and constant editing, having one central hub for management, editing, and posting is a massive productivity boost. It is important to remember that Vizard is a tool for efficiency, not necessarily for complex color grading or heavy motion graphics. I always suggest that you keep your raw audio tracks active until your final export, because having a backup is never a bad idea. Always remember that captions are absolutely mandatory if you want to increase your reach, so make sure they are accurate and clean. Also, never underestimate the first 2 seconds of your clip, because that is your hook, and it determines if people keep watching or scroll past. If you need that heavy, complex audio mastering, just pair your AI-generated clips with your favorite pro-level software for those perfect final touches. To wrap this up, if you are looking to scale your content and manage everything in one place, an AI-first workflow is the ultimate way to stop burning out. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and if this walkthrough helped you with your music videos, hit the like button and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss my upcoming editing tips, and I will catch you guys in the next one.